Hello everybody, welcome to another Mars video. In this one we're looking at a photograph that the Rover Curiosity took 3 days ago. It was Sol 4816. Many of you might be familiar with this type of aerial phenomenon photographed in the Martian sky. This visitor showed up on the Rover Curiosity's doorstep in 2014. For those of you that aren't familiar with this one, we'll take a look at the source material as well. And then 3 days ago, this one showed up at the rover's doorstep. Let's have a look at the original source material and a closer comparison between the two. You'll find a link to the source material in the description. This photograph was taken by the right navigation camera on board the Rover Curiosity on 2014-07-14. It was Sol 688 at the time. Here's the original photograph. Let's zoom in on the aerial object highlighted there. Check this out, folks. Let's take a closer look. It's got a strange, uniform, symmetrical look to it. It appears to be possibly a disc with a dome-like part attached underneath. I'm not sure what to make of this object, folks. Could it be some type of drone or craft that was photographed by the Rover Curiosity? To the right, we're looking at conventional magnification of that object, and to the left, Topaz Labs upscaling. And then the anomaly photographed by the Rover Curiosity right navigation camera 3 days ago was taken on Sol 4816. It was the 22nd of February 2026. And there's the photograph downloaded directly from the NASA site. And we can still make out these strange wall or foundation-like anomalies I featured a couple of days ago. But we'll zoom in on the object highlighted there to the top left. It's getting a little clearer. Let's take a closer look. Check this out, folks. Again, could this be a disc, a large dome underneath, and a smaller one on the top? This is one of the best photographs I've seen of this saucer-like anomaly. And there's a comparison of conventional magnification versus Topaz Labs upscaling. Could these two UFO or UAP be of similar design, or are we looking at something totally different? Could that be a disc, a small dome underneath, and then again this one with a larger dome underneath and a smaller one on top? Or could we be looking at a similar craft is taken from a different angle? I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I look forward to engaging with you in the comments. To those of you that have recently subscribed to my channel, getting me closer to the 10,000 milestone, I much appreciate it. Thank you. And to every one of you that is still subscribed to my channel and watches my videos, thank you very much. I appreciate it. As always, thanks for watching.